Okay, boys and girls, you're going to go into Pearson today for math, and we're going to talk about comparing fractions with like numerators. That's the top number in the fraction. But let me show you how to go into Pearson in case you forgot. So you are in Schoology, or you can actually be in Clever, okay? So if you're in Schoology, there's a little tab over here. See my mouse? Let's follow it down. It says Pearson, Realize. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to click Launch App up here at the top. We're going to use Malachi as an example. We're going to click on Malachi's name. You're going to have to put in your password, okay? And then it's going to ask you to log in with your Google, put in your password. It's going to bring you to this page. You're going to click here. Then you're going to go to your classes. Okay? Here is a list of your assignments. I'm going to assign you a few things today. You're going to watch a video, and then you're going to do a couple of practice activities. When you are finished, remember, if you can't find those practice activities, if you scroll down, there's other pages down here. You might have to go to the next page. Okay? When you're finished, I'll be able to go in and make sure that you have done this. If you have any questions, dojo me, send me an email, send me a message. I will be checking them throughout the day.